Good morning. Thanks for being here, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for your participation and thanks for being here. Your concern about my new channel is awesome, and I really appreciate your contribution. Your response is phenomenal. So, we are back again, and we need your support. So, keep supporting us and to subscribe our channel to achieve the milestone of 1000 subscribers and the 4000 hours of watch time. So let's get started. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video, we are going to show you some easy pallet wood furniture ideas. Anyone can do it by themselves and make your home beautiful and use your. Here are some additional ideas for you reusing pallet wood. Create a functional and the stylish coat rack. You can also make a beautiful picture frame with it. Use a pallet wood to create a unique and the rustic picture frame. Cut the wood to size and add a backing glass and the hanging hardware. Use pallet wood to create a base of a table lamp. Stain and paint on the wood and add a lamp kit for a unique and the lighting option. Create customer mirror frame using pallet wood. Cut the wood to size and attach to the mirror with glue or the hardware. Use pallet wood to create a room divider for an open concept living room. Cut the wood size and attach with hinges for a movable option. Create birdhouse using pallet wood for a functional and the decorative addition to your garden. Use pallet wood to create a firewood rack for your backyard. Stack the wood and attach with hardware for study option. Create a cozy and the rustic bed using pallet wood and cushions or blanket for a comfortable sleeping spot for your furry friend. Use pallet wood to create unique and decorative bookend for your bookshelf. Cut the wood size and add a decorative design and stand for custom touch. Create planter for your outdoor and the indoor plants using pallet wood. And overall, pallet wood can be a versatile and the sustainable material to use of both interior and the exterior decoration. With a little creativity and possibilities are endless. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood reuse ideas for your interior and the exterior decoration. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here, for supporting us, and for watching my videos. So let's get started. Pallet wood can be a versatile and a cost-effective material in use in both interior and the exterior decoration. Here are some ideas for reusing pallet wood. You can create a statement wall in your living room or bedroom by using pallet wood to create a unique and rustic ancient wall. Pallet wood can be used to create all sorts of furniture from coffee table, bookshelves, gazebo, and the benches and the chairs. Use pallet wood to create garden beds for your backyard or the balcony. Simply stack the pallet on the top of each other and fill it with the soils. Create outdoor furniture like chairs, tables, benches using pallet wood. These pieces can be stained and painted to match your outdoor decor. Use pallet wood to create an outdoor sitting area, and you can also make a bed for your backyard. Use pallet wood to create open shelving for your kitchen or the bathroom or the bedroom for a rustic and functional touch. Create your own network by using Pallet wood as the canvas, paint, or stencil a design onto a wood for a one of a kind of piece. Use pallet wood to create a sign for your home and the garden. Stain or paint the wood and add a lettering for a personalized touch. Use pallet wood to create a unique and the rustic flooring option in your bedroom and the home. Create a rustic headboard for your bed using pallet wood. Use pallet wood to create a wine rack for your kitchen and the dining room. Stain or paint the wood and add metal holder for functional and stylish pieces. Remember to properly prepare and treat the pallet wood before using it for any objects, as it may have been treated with chemicals that can be harmful for your health. You can enhance your home aesthetic with pallet wood. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing project of pallet wood to add a beauty to your home decor. When it comes to adding a touch of natural charm and rustic beauty to your home, few materials can match the versatility and appeals of pallet wood. Here is our new video in our playlist. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. We are back again with another amazing video. So if you have any type of suggestion, you can ping us in our latest video comment box. And thanks for watching, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Derived from the sturdy wooden pallet commonly used in a shipping and storage, repurposing this humble material can unlock a world of creative possibilities. In this video, we will explore how incorporating pallet wood can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your living space, offering a unique and environmental friendly way to enhance the beauty of your home. Pallet wood possesses a distinct character and the individuality that can instantly transform any room. Its whether texture, rich patina, or a unique marking tell a story of its previous life, adding a authentic and organic feel to your interior design. Each piece of pallet wood carries its own history and contributes to the overall charm and the personality of your home. One of the most compelling reasons to incorporate pallet wood into your home decor is its eco-friendliness. By repurposing discarded pallet, you are contributing to the reduction of waste and promoting sustainability. Choosing pallet wood for your project align with the principle of recycling and the upcycling, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Pallet wood versatility now have no bound, for ancient wall to the furniture decorative element. There are countless ways to incorporate into your home. An ancient wall made of pallet wood can become an eye-catching focal point, adding warmth and the texture to the living room, bedroom,